Hey everyone, I'm Chase at Rocky Mountain ATV MC, giving you a closer look at the full glass windshield from Tusk for the Can-Am Maverick X3. All right everyone, thanks for checking in. So today we're giving you a closer look at this full glass windshield from Tusk for the Can-Am Maverick X3. You know, with windshields, there's a lot of options out there. For us, it's one of our must-have accessories. We just always like to have one on our side-by-sides, but you got full windshields, you got halves, some they're gonna be folding, you've got polycarbonate and glass. But if you're looking for the premium offering for a full windshield, glass is gonna be the way to go. They are more of an investment, but there's some features and benefits that we love about a glass windshield, and that's what we wanna talk about today. So first feature that we love is just the clarity. You know, being that it's the same automotive safety glass that you have on your car or your truck windshield now, the clarity on these is awesome. On top of that, it's the scratch resistance. You know, automotive safety glass is very durable. So with this windshield, if you're doing some trail riding, tree branches are hitting your windshield, or maybe you're in a group, you're behind some people, you can just have the confidence that this is not gonna get all scratched up and you're gonna have that good clarity for a very long time. Also, being that it's glass, it does have a slight tint to it, you know, which is gonna be nice, just a little bit easier on your eyes, but it's not too dark that it's gonna inhibit you when you're doing some nighttime riding as well. So those are some of the features that we love about the glass. But on top of that, with this option from Tusk, there's some other features that we really like. So first off, the frame, powder coated steel, so super strong. Now with the X3 models, they're pretty dang wide, and that's something that people kind of notice with this windshield is how big it is. Now we did a lot of testing with this in development, and we wanted to make sure that even with as wide as it is, that it's gonna hold up to the abuse that we know riders are gonna put it through, that there wasn't too much flex there. And trust me, we put this thing through the ringer. We did the most aggressive riding that we could find to make sure that this windshield specifically was gonna hold up to the abuse, and we're really happy with the way it turned out. And we credit a lot of that, again, just to the design, the mounting, as well as this powder coated steel frame. You'll notice too that we do have the stock roof that came on the X3, so it'll work with the stock roof. It'll also work with the Tusk aluminum roof as well. Now with the full windshield, this is something that's important. It does a great job of blocking the wind. In cooler temperatures, full windshield is absolutely the way to go. But in warmer temperatures, it is nice to get some airflow into the cab. So what we've done is up here at the top, you can see it just underneath the light bar, we have these vents that are built in. You can operate those from the inside, from the driver's side or passenger, and it's really easy to open those. They lock open, so if you want to get some airflow, you just pop those open and you're gonna be good to go. Now up here at the top, you can see we do have a Tusk light bar on here. Now the light bar will not come included with the windshield, but these brackets will come included. So if you want to run a light bar on your windshield, pick up this 30-inch straight light bar from Tusk. Will not work with a 30-inch curved light bar, just the straight option, but it's nice that these brackets do come included for you. Last thing I want to talk about is with the mounting and the windshield wipers. So the wipers on here, you can see there's two mounting locations. With this windshield being as wide as it is, you know, if you do want wipers on there, it's nice having two. That way you can get the entire windshield when you're wiping that water off. You'll also notice too that around the entire windshield, there's an adhesive back foam padding that goes all the way around the windshield. Again, that's just gonna help reduce the vibration once you have this thing installed. And lastly, mounting. It's awesome how easy it is to mount this windshield. You have 6 mounting locations. You have 2 that are gonna be down here in the front. You have billet aluminum roll cage clamps right here where my hands are, and you have 2 more that are gonna go up on the top of the roll cage as well. And once you have this mounted up, it is rock solid, it does not move. They did a great job with keeping this thing steady, so there's little to zero vibration when you're out there having a good time. So again, with the full glass windshield, if you're looking for a premium option when it comes to full windshield, hands down, this is the best route to take at a great price point. If you have questions or comments, we want to get those answered. So make sure to leave those below and we'll get those answered for you. Click on the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com to pick yours up. Remember, they are machine specific, so it's important just enter the make, model, and the year of your side-by-side, and you're gonna be good to go. Orders over $75 ship free. If you guys like this product spotlight, we got a lot more just like it, so make sure to get subscribed to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel. That way you always stay up to date on the latest product spotlights that we are constantly releasing for side-by-sides and other great UTV content. I am Chase, and we'll see you on the trails.